Oh my gosh, we're live. Oh my gosh, we've done it, bro. Oh, I guess my stream needed this shit is ass. Like it, we have a background in here, but I don't care because we're live. We've made it happen. Like, uh, all right. So my Streamlabs wouldn't work, and I kept on trying. I kept on trying. So then I signed up for I uh, hold up. All right, whatever. Whatever. Okay, we're live. I no clue how to get to the chat. I know it's different. I know it looks scuffed, but bro, it is what it is. I won't be able to see chat, but uh, I so normally I'm able to just stream off of Streamlabs. That's what I use, but it literally it wasn't working at all. It was not working, so I had to improvise. So I did I just created this random. I'm gonna try to have chat open. Okay. All right. Well, so to go over what I'm looking at, I know I have a lot of stuff on my chart right now, but on the daily, what are we? We're in pretty much this high. Look, you could say this low to this high, but just for where we're at right now, this low to this high. There's huge daily imbalance we kind of tapped into. We have more to go, but look at the strong liquidity at FOMC. I didn't trade. Why? Because FOMC. Like, look at this. Look at this huge candle. That's not normal. So I'm thinking that we can draw towards that. We have this hourly order block we're tapping into, and then we could get a rally to the upside off this. And let's just see on the 15-minute. We have that's a 5 minute. We have a 5 minute imbalance marked out that we clearly are reacting off of, and then we have this like, hourly order block, from order block. I would like to see us sweep these lows, create an imbalance in there, and then rally, take out this relative equal, take out this liquidity, then maybe our liquidity. So look, we have fair value within here. This is an hourly fair value gap, and then the next shot this hot. That's currently what I'm looking at. We have news at 8 in 3 minutes. What's good? What's good, Mondays? Monday. If you're new, bro, like it don't usually look like this. Um, my Streamlabs isn't working today. It didn't work at all. So that's why it's just like so I'm going to replace this little box, just a line. I'm gonna do like a what is that? I'm gonna do like a blue. I don't like that because my candle's blue. Tap some money plus my favorite color blue. Oh, we'll uh I'm doing fantastic today. I will say I'm a little bit like caught off guard just because I usually stream for Streamlabs. That always works for me. Today wasn't working at all. So I was expecting just to go on stream like usual. As you see, like I just started about 6 minutes ago. So usually I'm live a little bit earlier, but that's okay. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. Like we're live now. Gotta figure out it is different, but moral of the story that we're live. Check Bitcoin chart. I don't trade Bitcoin. I trade ES and NQ. Pretty much kind of look at NQ. I don't really trade it, but right now we're currently sweeping up these lows. We have news and now news right now. How are you doing today, bro? I'll look at the Bitcoin chart. I don't trade this. Bitcoin is. I don't know much about Bitcoin. I don't know anything about it. No, my my. Well, we just swept this low. Um, News just came out. S- yeah, look at that. We just swept that. Jeez. Me personally, bro, I'm just a little thrown off today. But it is what it is. Like, look at that doji. Look at that candle. And honestly, bro, like I shouldn't even be trading today. Be doing it. Like there's no need to be trading for me right now. Like look at all this news. I do think that we are relatively bullish. It was through this high, created very well. I got pretty good entry. Like because we built this high, then our next draws are these on the higher time frames. Let's look on the hourly. We did was that that's this is a 15-minute imbalance that we've been wicking off, respecting. And higher time frames, though, we have highs all the way up here that need to be touched. That need to be touched like baby boys. They need to be touched. We just swept low. We never swept this high. We swept these highs. These two relative. These two relative. We never swept this high. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. I'm not. I'm not like this 5 minute candle. Something about it's just making me a little uneasy. So, with that being said, like Um, I'm gonna be patient today. I'm not going to trade just to trade. It's a little cold in here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna crank it. We're back. But now I know like if Streamlabs isn't working again, and if it isn't working, then at least like I can figure it out. I was a little scared. Like I was about to say like, oh, we're not streaming today. Can't stream today. But I'm like, let's try something. And then you know, like look at this 5 minute candle. Look at this 5 minute candle we just closed. To me, I don't like that. I don't. This is not good price action as of right now. This is not good price action for me, and not good price action for me to trade off. Doesn't mean I can't trade. I can't. Doesn't mean I can't trade, but like I don't know, bro. We did it off of V Schlop too. Off that V Schlop. The girl gave me that V Schlop. Ooh, AMD retesting V Schlop. V V Schlop. I got the schloppy. Sorry. If you had money right now, where are you investing in? Get EST, bro. What does that mean? Oh, get it, bro. I'm confused. All right, let me turn off VWAP. I don't like trading off VWAP, but I like to see it occasionally, just to give me like a general direction, just for a feel. Like I think VWAP is if you're gonna use any indicator, you have to use VWAP. Like hell no, don't use like any of these other indicators. I mean, that's coming from me. I'm not profitable, so I can't really tell you anything. Like I'm not using anything other than VWAP if I'm using. But bro, just look at this price action and tell me if it looks tradable. Tell me if it looks tradable. I'll tell you right now, it, it, it looks unappealing to me. But we did sweep lows. Let's see if we can create an imbalance within here. Oh, we did, and then we reacted off of it. So you're long it. If you were to target these highs, these highs, these highs, that's what you could target. Um, so target this imbalance and this imbalance. But for me, bro, like if I'm entering, my stop would be below probably here. And just for that first high, like a 1-to-1 just for there. Mm, I don't know. I don't know. I said I'm down for whatever you want to do. But yeah, we did. We did make a reaction. See, I need to be like constantly looking at the 1 minute that could have been a good entry. Well, it pretty much was a good entry. I've been indecisive. It's my favorite color, blue. But yesterday, it didn't feel right. Not streaming. Maybe out of the trenches and stuff I left again. And today, the fine feels right. We were ripping like yeah. Look, swap lows, get a break of structure. We have high time frame up here. We're looking bearish. We have a bullish daily bias. Look for these draws. For me, bro, that 5 minute candle, this candle is very bullish. Hesitance that we made a reaction off of this. See that reaction off of this and close? Because you're not gonna enter until that candle closes. Stop here, stop below this low maybe. That is a big stop. Shawty, push it around me. And like I don't for me, I don't know. I'm not taking that. I'm talking about these about let it go beat him. It ain't even that deep, but that's just how it be with me. I don't know. I wonder if I let you feel the breeze with me. Constantly looking. We have this imbalance that we have respected. Now. I can't let this shit slow. Should we never supposed to do? And it's Should we never post a love? I gotta get out of character. I'm blaming on the drugs. All right, now we could create a 5 minute imbalance within this close. But this entry off of this, for me, not it. For me, like we do have highs up here. We did just sweep these highs. Now look, coming down. Post a love. Yeah, I gotta care to I blame it on the drugs. No, no. Oh, it's, all right, I'm going to. Okay. So that's where this 50% mark of that imbalance is. We get updated. Oh my. Because we're pretty much making this lower low, higher low. Granted, these got swept, but respect to this fair value gap. Let's get on like a 15 minute. Because you have this fair value gap and this order block. Like, this is going to be a high confidence area. I would like to see us maybe draw down into here, place back into this fair value gap, then targets up here. Prices kind of settled off that news. We're not making any like suspicious candles. Then we're just gonna react off price. So that's what we're doing today. We're reacting off price. We're being reactors. We're reactive to the market. On the weekend. I drip every day on the week. This 3 weeks ago, Let's draw lower into this creative reaction of the. Why do you one more time? And what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? We created. Are these all equal? We created like three straight equal highs. So if we draw down lower, make a reaction out of this 5 minute imbalance, I will end. But if we sweep this high first, no. But yeah, if we had lower in this imbalance, create a reaction, I would like that is looking beautiful, gorgeous. There's no way we don't sweep back up into that. Already swept lows, high time frame order block we're in right now. To me, this is looking like a high probability trade. If we draw into here, cause a reaction. That's what I'm looking to execute off of. That's what I'm looking to execute off of. Um, let's say we do draw into here, and then like we get an entry right here, stop below the fair value gap. Is that enough though? Like 1.06? Where can I target 50% mark of this fair value gap, like 1.56? And then leave runners, or if I were, we had a runner up here, and then obviously at this time you would have an extended clip up there. I just don't like how like we're not at a low. And look, we're at that area right now. Let's see. We still have a whole like 3.5 minutes on this candle. I think it will close bullish. Wow. Drawing lower. So got 2.5 minutes. Like we're waiting for this candle closure. One minute, 50 seconds. I wasn't expecting that honestly. But these three like exactly equal highs is what's like telling me that we're going to push up into them. We're back into that 1 minute imbalance that we were in prior. Pretty sure that. Mhm. But for me, like just if I were to take a trade off of this here, targeting these highs, like for me, it wouldn't make any sense for me to have to take profit up here. I mean, I guess I'm just 50% retracement, but for me, mhm, like stop below here, stop below this, target up here. It's only a 1 to 1, you know. It's not appealing to me. It's not appealing to me, and we'll see. Like, there's always gonna be new opportunities. Like just because one you don't like doesn't mean you're not gonna have any other opportunities. Like on NQ, this looks a little bit better. It looks a little bit better going on. Like you actually have some areas. It's kind of the same thing. But just look at how that candle closed, and it is in that 5 minute imbalance still. Like we closed, rejected off of this one. Like you're like this is screaming bullish. You enter off here. Yeah, to the upside. But I just don't have any clear take profits. For me, it's not worth it. But that's what I'm thinking of. Like you don't always have to be in a trade. Like you're only really caring about the market and what the market's doing is when you're actually in that trade. When you're in that trade, that's when you're worried about what the market's doing. Right now, I could care less about what the market's doing because I'm here to put on a trade. I'm here to put on risk my own capital in order to have a successful trade. And those three equal highs are definitely going to get swept within this move, and then we're going to head up maybe into that 50% retracement of that fair value gap. But for me, I don't have any other like take profit areas. We have a lot of news today. Another factor. I mean, the date's not even close to over. We've got the whole day, but that's what I was looking at. That's what I was feeling. That's the type of shit I was on. That's the type of shit I'll be on. Oops. Hey, but like I'm slowly getting better. I'm slowly recognizing. I'm slowly seeing this. Sticking with it, and I'm not doing any other shit. I'm not doing any other. Oh yeah, let's look at VWAP shit. And you can tell me, you can tell all this like it doesn't work, but it really does. You have to add context to it. It's not gonna work if you just show up and say, "Oh, here's a fair value gap." No, you have to add context to it. Where are we at? Where's the next draw on liquidity? Like, where are we heading towards? And look, boom, we would have got paid right here. That's okay. We didn't take it. We didn't love the risk to reward. That's okay. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. That's totally okay. But like for me, if I'm in this trade, I'm waiting for that break above this high. That's what I'm waiting for. Break above this high, firm or bearish, bullish. Sorry. Which yeah, you can enter off here off that reaction. But for me, I don't have that much. I mean, 1.3 and this just like flew. And then also at this high time frame order bar. Yeah, I would like to take off up here too. That's what I would like to target as well. Hey, but that's totally okay. Like hesitation kind of got the best of me. Like this is good, bro. Like I'm able to recognize this. I'm able to recognize this. Like that's good. That's good. Bias technically technically correct today. Ah. Do you have some more little news right now? Natural gas storage. Whoa. Why are we so likely to drop to these? Three exactly equal highs. Three exactly equal highs. That's what made me think that we're for sure. Like I ain't mad about this. Like I'm totally okay. That's why I'm on a demo account. Like I'm here. I'm here to learn. I'm here to grow as a trader. I'm here to develop myself. All right, let's look at the. But I thought this scandal was. But even these 5 minute candles are have so much volume on them. Like look at this. We made a move all the way down here, sweeping out this, hop back up, created an imbalance on the 1 minute through there. Then we came back after that big sweep, made three relative equal highs. So what do we do? What do we do? Came right back in that imbalance, got the reaction, and swept those highs. Same exact highs. Like for me, like these candles have way too much volume on them for me to trade. These 5 minute candles are like some monsters right now, and that's okay. Like I'm completely fine with sit back, chillaxing. Hey, mm-mm. She's under money. You never know. 20. What's 27 times 5? 135? 135? What's the bro? Look at how like this is a large. Could you not? Ah, yeah, chat. Yeah, chat. Yeah, boys. Yeah, chat. Yeah, chat. Yeah, chat. Um, yeah, chat. Hey, chat. Double down and double down. Super cautious. It was in the street. Taking office. Shot. Mm-hmm. Shit, you would never know. You didn't even know. All right, bro. Down, super cautious. Hmm. I got a lot of shit to read, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. You can see him through the shirt. Gotta make him bigger right now. Every like this video gets, I will do 1,000 push-ups. Can you imagine? Every like this video gets, I'll do 10 push-ups. No bullshit. You can do it as well. All right. Cuckoo caca. Cuckoo caca. Mommy. 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 You want some milk? Cuckoo. All right. Enough of this. I was on NQ. Another amount lots for filling in, but I'm not taking it. We ain't full. We ain't Kazo. We ain't. You can't take every fair value. You gotta have a constant with fool. Especially on like 1 minute. Could this possibly be the manipulation of the day? Let's look at our daily candle so far. Mm. 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 I feel like this could be the manipulation. We came in about 5 minutes for we came in halfway to that. I don't know, bro. I don't have like clear bias. I don't have clear set. I don't have clear uh, targets. You know, the kind of target I was looking at was these three relative equal highs. That could have been a good entry, but like for me, I'm looking for something to capitalize off something bigger. I wasn't really loving that. Yeah, you could have took it. Yeah, it would have been a good trade. Yeah, it would have been like pretty much instantaneous. We got pretty much take profit, but that's okay, bro. Like I'm not loving the next straws. These lows, these lows, these lows, these lows for me, or this high, this one. That's a way to. I mean, we do have this order block. I guess you can say we tapped. Yeah, 5 minute order block. On the hourly, that order block is basically up here. Whoa. I be on that shit. I know they feel the pressure. I know they feel the pressure. I know they feel alone. I know they leave me alone. Better stay in your frame. Better stay in your frame. They even they don't know it's white material. Where did my mother got say? I I'm about to pick it on this thing. I don't feel the pressure. How you finesse for? I said I wanted to test. Oh shit, Eddie, what's good? No, I haven't taken a trade. You know what I did, peep? I did see this. I'm not loving like where we're at. But we had this. We're waiting for news, of course. Let's look on the 5 minute, bro. We swept these lows. Created this huge candle. This is why I wasn't liking it in the first place. I just when I see a candle like this, like obviously this was the news candle. But whenever I see a candle like this, I'm just discouraged. I don't want to be a trade. And then off that candle, we created this imbalance. We kind of reacted off it right there. Drew up, created these three exactly equal highs. And then we headed down, retested that, and then like for me, my entry, I want to see a break above this. I mean, I guess you say once we get a reaction off that, that's when you can enter. Maybe off the start of this candle. That could have been an entry. But for me, bro, I wasn't trying to risk it. I wasn't trying to. But yeah, that could have been the entry, and then 50% retracement of that fair value gap. Looking back, yeah, it could have been a trade, but like it's so easy to say shit in hindsight. It's so easy to sit here and say that, oh, you should have took that. Oh, why didn't you take that? Like, bro, what do you mean? Like, I see so many people, or like just a lot of people in general. They're just like, that was obvious, bro. No, it wasn't. Like, tell me right now. Tell me where the market's going. Are we heading towards these lows? And how do you know that for sure? Right now, we're retesting that imbalance. We had this 5 minute imbalance that we kind of blew through. Yeah, that's why I haven't really been trading this week. Yesterday, shout out FOMC. I didn't even stream yesterday. I didn't like, bro. Just look at the corner of my stream, like StreamYard. Yes, sir. Do you think it's better since you stopped being live, going live? Do you think that had anything to do with it? Started trading with micros. I have a Tradeovate account. I put money into it, and then I kind of like I made like one trade just trying to test it out. Okay, I see. For me, bro, like for me, I kind of like it because I'm forced to commentate on stuff. I'm like, I don't care um who sees what I'm doing. I'm kind of doing it for myself because like I know right now like it's not really anything, but it's kind of grown to something a little bit, and I know it will continue to grow and grow and grow. Like that's all shit is like, especially if I'm looking at money like from an account perspective, I got to think of compounding. Compound. Yeah, bro. Keep on going with the micros. Like when I stop focusing on the money and just trying to focus on the process, that's when I feel like I have improved the most. I'm only like a year into it. Like if we're being for real, I started trading like 8 months ago with actual money. Demo, I've been trading for about a year, but I wouldn't even call it trading. I literally knew what it was. I had an account. I had a demo account. I placed trades while I was in class. Come back, and then I went, and then I used my brother's account for a minute, and now we're here. So like I can't be like um can't be mad at anything. I'm trying to not look at results. I tried demo, but wasn't that invested. Just I took gaming trades because it was demo. Yeah, for me, bro, I'm still cautious on my demo account. Like, I'm not opening a trade just cause I want to. For me, like I do get emotional when I'm on my demo account too. Because for me, it's not about losing money or making money. For me, it's about being right or wrong. Like for me, I want to be right with my trade. Then we just swept those highs, and then now we're rallying lower. We kind of created some balance, worked off of it, and now send that lower. This could have been your entry looking back on it, but for me, like I don't really see anything much of it. But this is just like perspective. Like I was sitting here, not doing anything, not realizing what was setting up, and then we just brewed a huge move to the downside that I missed off this. The balance break structure swept these highs, but that's okay. That's okay. Um, my overall bias was bullish. I want to see us tap up into this order block before we send lower. But look, we did kind of feel all this in hourly imbalance, so that could have been confluence. We filled majority of this on the 4 hour. It's not. It's only halfway filled, but on the hourly, we filled a majority of it. We'll be tapping this 5 minute order block, kind of whatever you want to call that. Yeah, we're selling off. And this morning, bro, I got thrown off because I was usually signing in Streamlabs, get right into it, and I was trying to start streaming 15 minutes before market opened, and it literally wouldn't let me. I was trying to figure it out for like 20 minutes, and then I was finally after like 30 minutes, I was like, "This obviously isn't working." I was trying everything. Let me just try a different streaming software. So I downloaded the first thing, and now that's what my stream is weird today. We're different today. Yeah, that was a nice move. That was a nice move. Swept, chop for a minute, consolidation, filling up these orders. Then we chop again into the fair value gap, completely rejecting it, and then boom. Your stop would have been just above the spot for me. Mhm. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's so many opportunities in this market, and the fact that like I'm not able to see this live, only in hindsight, like just these lows, 1 to 3, probably take off at this area, target these lows. What do we have? All right, time frame stuff. These lows, these lows. Jeez. Because once I see this scandal, I can kind of view this as like this is manipulation. This is manipulation. Full blown manipulation right here. You get a see a possible entry because like, but oh, I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at what do we do? Sweep these 3 highs, and then what do we do? Rally lower, and then that's when we get that fair value gap built in 1 minute. And that's when you can enter it off. But the fact that I'm not able to see that in real time. But my bias was bullish coming into today. And now look at this daily candle I was spotting out. Oh, we kind of rejected off of that 50% retracement, 50% of that fair value, and now we're headed. Mm, okay. Yeah, we just hit that low. Next stop, these lows. Honestly, bro, today's session, hey, might be a short one, might be a quick one. We've been on here for an hour. I'm thinking about getting off. Like this is probably the main move of the day. Yeah, this is a nice move. Clean move too. Kind of not a trade worth taking though because of that initial push. I was only looking for longs after the 7 a.m. push. Yeah, I was pretty long biased too. That's why I wasn't really able to see that move down. But if I was short biased, like I would definitely saw that. I probably would have tried to execute, but I need to look like 1 minute fair value gap fill after liquidity sweep. Um, kind of it has working. Like look after that break of structure fair value gap fill. Yeah. And again liquidity sweep chop. Lower. Mm. All right. Yes, the reason I didn't see this move is because I was long bias. I had long bias. I mean, like market sure as hell is still open. There's always going to be another opportunity brewing up. Like, bro, it's only an hour and a half into market open. I like to take a trade typically within the first hour. 'Cause I wasn't planning on taking another trade. I missed my short scenario of break and hold above 40. Yeah, and honestly, like, bro, that's totally okay. Like, that's totally cool. Like, as long as you're sticking to your plan, like, if you have a plan to where you only wanna take 1 trade a day, if you're sticking to that, that's what you wanna do. Like, don't force anything. So don't think you missed out on a move either, 'cause there's always trades. There's always gonna be opportunities to get to that. Call it pre-market. And now we are in the higher time frame order block. This order block, this downs $8 today, yes sir. It's a new month. It's already been a month of 2024. That is insane. Like for me personally, 2020 like December felt so long. December of 23 felt so long. And then just within this first month has felt so quick, so fast. I think it's because I'm being more productive with what I'm doing. I'm using my time better, staying disciplined. This year is the Sut Trades takeover. Like honestly, I wouldn't. I might change my name on YouTube to just Caleb Sutterfield. Maybe so it's more like me. Cause like I don't just trade. Like also like I'm here to get my mind right, and that's kind of what I preach. Coming up here on 500. Coming up here on 500. We might hit it tomorrow. I'm thinking. But look what happened right after you swept these 3 exact equal highs. Sold off. All right. I need to update the instant. Today I didn't take any trades at all. I didn't like the news that we had today. Uh, today I didn't take any trades at all today. Oh, I say today a lot. I didn't trade at all today. I didn't like the news we were having. I didn't trade today. I didn't like first off the amount of news we had. Then I came in the market with a long bias. This was a potential setup I saw today. The reason I didn't take it is it was right on news. We had this big 5-minute candle. And then that's when we swept these 3 goal highs, created an imbalance, and then we rallied lower. I watched Trading Dakota yesterday, and he had his first losing day after a month of. That's crazy, because I'm guessing you said he scalps, because I feel like if you scalp, you kind of have to have a higher win rate, and it's I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like other traders, people that are swing traders or like day traders, well, scalper is a day trader, but I don't know if you know what I'm saying, but like when you're scalping like that, I feel like a lot of people I see like on social media, I guess, they always have like a super high win rate, and they always seem to be kind of like consistently raking in cash, and then they kind of have that one losing trade. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I didn't trade today. I didn't like, first off, the amount of news we had. Then I came to the market with a long bias. This was a potential setup I saw today. Reason I didn't take it is it was right on news. We had this big 5-minute candle. Then that's when we swept these 3 goal highs, created an imbalance, and then we rallied lower. I didn't trade today. I didn't like for tomorrow's NFP, and I probably won't be trading either. I didn't trade today. I didn't like, first off, the amount of news we had. Then I came to the market with a long bias. This was a potential setup I saw today. Reason I didn't take it is it was right on news. We had this big 5-minute candle. Then that's when we swept these 3 goal highs, created an imbalance, and then we rallied lower. Tomorrow's NFP, and I probably won't be trading either. I didn't trade today. I didn't like for. All right, brother. I've been watching a lot of TJR trades, and then Justin Werling. I'm pretty sure, yeah, Justin Werling and TJR trades. Like I'm telling you, those 2 people are going to make me profitable. Like all the stuff they have out there is free, and I'm currently working on watching like every single video each and every one of them has. Then after that, I'll rewatch them. They'll be posting more. Like those 2, like I'm going to become profitable because of them. All right. How long have I been streaming for? 77 minutes. Oh. All right. Yeah, I'm going to today. I didn't like, first off, the amount of news we had. Then I came to the market with a long bias. This was today. I didn't like, first off, the amount of news we had. Hour 20. It's crazy. It doesn't feel like that at all. And I was trying to start early like this. But tomorrow's NFP. Tomorrow, Colin, I should be live with Colin. Tomorrow, it depends. I might trade. I might not. I'll probably be observing. I'll probably be observing. But I'm going to end this right here. And yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow, and then let's just take a look. Oh, I don't like this. I have to like share my screen. All right, yeah. Let tomorrow we have all this. It is before market opens. Then we have consumer sentiment. I don't like that. Then we have PMI. I'll probably trade this day. Trade this day. Yeah, yeah. So tomorrow, next week is easy. Then we have Monday. Ooh, then we have CPI. Probably won't be trading Tuesday, maybe. Depends. Then I will be trading this day. All of our high impact news comes up before market opens. Then we have PPI. mm, Bank holiday. What holiday is the February 19th? Isn't that like President's Day? Yeah, it is. What even is President's Day? All right. Okay, so really, like after this like big news stuff, like we don't really have anything else that's like terrible. But I'm heading off. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow with Colin will be joining us, hopefully. Yeah.